Once upon a time, in a quiet green forest, there lived a little blue bird named Luna. Luna was different from the other birds. She couldn't fly yet. Every morning, she watched her friends soar high above the trees, singing happily in the sky. One sunny day, Luna sighed and said, "I'll never fly like them." Just then, a friendly squirrel named Max ran down from a tree. "Why are you sad, Luna?" he asked. "I can't fly," she whispered. "I've tried so many times." Max smiled kindly. "Don't give up. Maybe you just need a little help." So Max gathered his friends, Benny the bunny, Tilly the turtle, and Rosie the fox. They decided to help Luna practice. Every day they met near the big oak tree. Benny showed her how to jump high. Tilly cheered her on with her slow but steady rhythm. Rosie used her tail to catch Luna each time she fell. Little by little, Luna grew stronger. Her wings stopped trembling, and her heart filled with hope. One morning, when the sun painted the sky gold, Luna climbed to the top of the tree. Her friends watched below, shouting, "You can do it, Luna!" Luna took a deep breath, spread her wings wide, and jumped. For a moment, nothing. Then the wind lifted her gently, and she began to glide. She flew in small circles at first, then higher and higher. "I'm flying." She laughed with joy. Her friends cheered and danced below. From that day on, Luna never forgot her friends who believed in her. And whenever she saw another bird struggling to fly, she would smile and say, "Don't give up. You just need a little help and a lot of heart."